On a seemingly ordinary day, nature has a way of reminding us of its immense power. Today we delve into the heart of a storm, a phenomenon that shapes our environment and steers our emotions. As the clouds gather overhead, the atmosphere becomes charged with anticipation. The first drops of rain fall like nature's percussion, setting the stage for an awe-inspiring display. Rain is not merely water falling from the sky. It's an essential element of life. It nourishes the earth, replenishes the rivers, and sustains ecosystems. But when it arrives with force, it can transform into something far more dramatic. Lightning, a breathtaking yet terrifying aspect of storms. Each flash is a reminder of the raw energy coursing through our atmosphere. Did you know that a single bolt can reach temperatures 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun? As winds picks up and rain intensifies, life outside changes. People rush for cover, and the world takes on a different rhythm. The sounds of the storm become a symphony, howling winds and distant thunder. Storms can develop rapidly under the right conditions. Warm air rising, cold air sinking, and moisture combining to create instability in the atmosphere. Understanding these patterns help us predict severe weather and keep communities safe. But the storms can also bring destruction. Flooding, fallen trees, and power outages can disrupt lives and communities. The aftermath often reveals both the vulnerability and resilience of nature and humanity. In the face of adversity, communities unite. Neighbors lend a hand, sharing resources and support. This spirit of togetherness shines brightly amidst the chaos. As the storm passes, we are left with a transformed landscape, a reminder of nature's duality. The rain nourishes, while storms remind us of our place within this vast ecosystem. Each drop tells a story. Each storm teaches us resilience. Join us next time as we explore more wonders of our natural world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on today's journey through nature's theory.